today's fast-paced world, where healthcare challenges are evolving rapidly, the demand for precision, quality, and innovation in medicine has never been greater. From life-saving treatments to everyday wellness solutions, pharmaceuticals play a critical role in shaping a healthier tomorrow. As global healthcare needs rise, the pharmaceutical industry must keep up with the demands of efficiency, safety, and scientific excellence. This is where a commitment to high-quality manufacturing, research, and compliance becomes essential. Welcome to Funnel Pharmaceutical LLP, a name synonymous with innovation, quality, and excellence in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Our journey is driven by a vision to revolutionize healthcare through cutting-edge solutions, ethical practices, and global standards. Funnel Pharmaceuticals was founded by a team of young, visionary entrepreneurs Hitesh Dholria, Chetan Akbari, Keyur Pansara, Abhay Pansara, and Milan Akbari with a mission to create a healthier world. Our modern manufacturing facility ensures hygiene and precision. We take pride in our CGMP-certified machinery, designed to meet global standards of efficiency and compliance. Our advanced technology ensures high-quality pharmaceutical production, maintaining strict regulatory adherence while delivering safe, effective, and reliable healthcare solutions to domestic and international markets. We have more than 100 molecules available. Non-metal-actum oral liquids like syrups and suspensions, external preparations like ointments, gels, creams, and nasal drops. With a robust daily production capacity of 50,000 bottles, Funnel Pharmaceutical LLP specializes in non-metal-actum oral liquids, syrups, and suspensions. Our advanced, fully automated facility ensures high-quality manufacturing, maintaining global pharmaceutical standards to meet the growing demand in domestic and international markets. We manufacture over 25,000 tubes daily, specializing in external preparations such as ointments, gels, creams, and nasal drops. Our advanced production facility ensures high efficiency, quality, and compliance with global pharmaceutical standards. We manufacture over 1 million bottles and tubes every month. Quality is at the heart of everything we do. Our dedicated quality assurance and quality control teams ensure stringent checks at every stage. Microbial test, melting point test, pH testing, UV spectrophotometer test, microscope analysis, colony counter test, Karl Fischer titration, autoclave test, muffle furnace test, laminar airflow (LAF), biochemical oxygen demand (BOD), incubator test, stability testing, including accelerated and long-time conditions. Our impact extends beyond borders. In-process tests during every stage. Balance calibration ensures accuracy in pharmaceutical weighing per guidelines. With a strong presence in 10+ countries, we are making quality healthcare accessible worldwide. Artwork verification ensures accurate labeling, packaging, and regulatory compliance in production. With a dedicated team of 50+ skilled professionals and a network of 50+ trusted suppliers, routine sample verification ensures product consistency, quality, and compliance with regulations. Our company is recognized as one of India's top 5,000 MSMEs, a testament to our unwavering commitment to excellence. Our leadership is built on the pillars of quality, ethics, system, and fastest services. Under the guidance of our dynamic directors, we are continuously innovating and expanding our reach. With a well-organized warehouse and logistics system, we ensure smooth operations from manufacturing to delivery, maintaining efficiency and reliability in every shipment. At Funnel Pharmaceuticals, we believe that continuous learning is the key to success. Our staff training programs empower our workforce with the knowledge and skills to drive excellence. Funnel Pharmaceutical LLP produces high-quality water, essential for manufacturing processes. Funnel Pharmaceutical LLP implements a high-quality HVAC system to maintain optimal conditions in the pharmaceutical industry. Our vision is to be one of the leading pharmaceutical companies in the country by providing customized solutions, delivering the best service, and manufacturing high-quality products with standard methods. Our mission is to work with the highest standards of ethics and values through cooperation with customers, focus on developing quality products, and care for our society while providing opportunities to build careers. Funnel Pharmaceutical LLP, where science meets innovation and quality meets commitment. We are not just manufacturing medicines, we are shaping a healthier tomorrow. Reach us for more info.